Alright, we're back with part 2 of our CapCut for Beginners series. In part 1, we gave you an interface tour. Basically, we showed you where everything lives in CapCut. But in this video, we're gonna dive into the nitty-gritty. We're gonna learn how to import our videos and how to organize them on the timeline. So before we get started, quick reminder, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with someone who wants to learn video editing. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you've finished the interface tour and you clicked on New Project, you land on the Media Import window. Here's where you add your files before editing. All you have to do is click on Import and select the files you want. It could be videos, photos, or music. Once you import them, they will show up in this list. Now to bring your video into the timeline area, all you have to do is click and drag. So here I'm dragging my video clip into the timeline. And once it's in the timeline, I can play it back by clicking on the play button. And remember, you can scrub through the timeline by simply clicking and dragging this thing here. Next, let's talk about the preview window. Every change you make on the timeline shows up here instantly. So if I delete a part of the clip by highlighting it and hitting delete, you'll see that the preview window updates. So when you're editing, this is how you can see exactly how your video is looking. Now let's say you want to add some music to your video. You can do that by going to the media library, clicking on audio, and then dragging your music into the timeline. Now the cool thing about CapCut is that it automatically adds a track for your audio. If you want to adjust where the music starts or ends, you can do that by dragging these little handles. And if you want to adjust the volume of the audio, you can do that by clicking on the waveform and then dragging this thing up and down. Now here's a really important tip for organizing your timeline. As you add more clips and audio tracks, you might want to separate them. To do that, click on the clip on the timeline, go over to the right side menu under Edit Clips, and then click Split. Now this separates the two clips. And you can keep doing this to separate multiple clips. You can also split audio. So if you want to separate the music from the original audio in your video, you can do that as well. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. In the next video, we're going to learn how to add text, transitions, and stickers, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with someone who wants to learn video editing. Till next time, take care.